it was about Sunday morning.
Yes.
Naalala mo, nag-lunch tayo, etc. I did not have any idea if you were a triathlete.
Okay.
Nalaman namin na triathlete kami pareho, when we were shooting at AVP, dala ko bisikleta ko, nasa likod ng kotse.
Tama.
Tapos suot ko yung 910 XT na Garmin. Sabi niya, ba't kayo ganyan, sabi ko, well, I do triathlons, and I'm joining my first 70.3 Ironman in Cebu. Makikita tayo, ako rin, di ba? And that's why we found out that we're both triathletes.
I mean, yes.
Uy, ako. Pero ang laking bagay ko talaga ng sports sa buhay ko, ng triathlon sa buhay ko. I'm actually so thankful to the Lord that I got sick. Alam niyo ba, na-stroke ako nung na pumatay? This was more than 2 years ago. I had a stroke. I almost died. And because of that stroke, my doctor told me, kinakailangan maglakad ka araw-araw ng 30 minutes. 30 minutes, para yung dugo mo sa puso mo inigot lang. This was halos hindi ako makapag-isip at hindi ako makapagsalita. At talagang kung gumalaw ko, napakabagal dahil ilong-ilong ko eh. So I was walking for 30 minutes every single day. 30 minutes. And then, after a few weeks, sabi ko, baka pwede kong bilisan ang lakad ko. Naging brisk walk. Tapos yung brisk walk, naging slow run. Tapos yung slow run, naging run. Tapos yung run, sabi ko, nakakatakbo na ako Subukan nga itong bisikleta. Naging run bike. Tapos naging run bike swing. Tapos naging triathlon na. Yeah. But how does Sante Barbie fit in that lifestyle? No? Alam niyo po, ang Sante Barbie, of course, I don't have to tell you this, kasi know this Ang Sante Barbie maganda sa kalusugan natin, but aside from that, napakasarap inumin. Masarap ang lasa
Yes!
Masarap ang lasa kung, alam niyo, kung hindi, ang part of my agreement with Joey, kinakailangan meron akong ilang taon ng Sante Barbie sa bahay.
Dami yung bubong kami na.
Ito marami ko. Dapat meron akong siguro mga ilang kahon. Siguro mga 30-40 kahon na kada buwan. Dapat, hindi ko para sa akin. After about 3 months, tinawagan ko si Joey ulam. Bakit Kuya Rin? Bakit ang lakas mo na kuya ng Sante? Sabi ko, hindi. Ang misis ko na adik na sa Sante.
Yeah!
Ay lahat. Sino mo yung panginoon ng Sante? Taas na kamay.
Kami!
Ano po kulay ng pupo natin sa bar niya? Green na green na soap. And that is healthy. That's all good for us, di ba? But the Sante is a good product. It's good for health. And it's good. Napakasarap naman. I look forward to after every run because I know that after a 10K, after 20K, 21K, meron akong Sante bar na. Masarap na.
Kuya King, yes, Coach Johan, if I may ask a question, I think it is very obvious na kami lahat ay tinitingala namin po kayo being an authority in being healthy, in being a triathlete, in being an athlete. What made you, what convinced you to be part and to be teammates of Sante? What convinced you to say yes? Ano pong nakapag-udsot, Coach?
Dahil atleta ko, and yung mga tao, gusto kong makita rin yung stance ng isang athlete na ang athlete kasi pag tumayo, mayabang
May dating.
So, nagkakasulid din. So, bagay na bagay sa akin ng Sante. Dahil sa produkto, kaya mong ibenta, kaya mong kausapin yung mga kliyente. Pag nakita niya ang tayo